It's Jason from Jason's Jungle. Well, now that I've made my bed, I best get round to filming it. Come on, I'll show you what I'm doing. So I've got the side bed that I've filled up half full with my own homemade compost. There are twigs and stuff in it, but these are quite waterlogged. I mean, look at that, it just crumbles away, you can't even hear it snap. So that would have already soaked up loads of moisture, loads of bacteria and quite a lot of nutrients in there. So I don't think it's going to be robbing anything from the plants, especially towards the bottom, but it will hold moisture. So on top of this I'm going to mix up a mix of shopboard stuff and top this off. And by the way, look what the legs look like when they're up. You hardly notice they're there at all. So it gives us loads of space to work on this easily. So I'll get on with that compost mix. I'll show you what's going into that and then I'll crack on mixing it up. Okay, to go into the topping up mix, I've got soil improver manure. Everyone likes a bit of manure, who doesn't? Next to that I have, it might sound strange, but a shrub and rose bush kind of thing, compost. Now that contains loam, it doesn't contain peat. The next one along is multi-purpose compost with added John Innes. John Innes contains peat, loam and sand. Yeah, as well as composted, I think they both contain composted coir, bark, wood chips and things like that. And at the back I've got some vermiculite. I'll probably use 2 bags of manure, 2 bags of, 1 bag each of these composts, half a bag of vermiculite, and also to go on top I've got some Verve multi-purpose compost just to cap it off as a bit of mulch. Well, I managed to get 3 beds filled, which is more than I thought. I expected to be able to do 2 of them. Suppose I could have filled them right to the top for 2 of them and have 1 with just a little bit in. But as I said, I do have more compost to come down and go on top of this mix. So yes, that's that. It's getting ready. Just finish off the beds and fill them. I suppose the next step is to work out how I'm going to irrigate it. Okay, that's another problem for another day. Okay, that's that for now. Until I get some new wood midweek, I won't really be doing on much further. But click like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you when I get down to the next video. Ta-ra.